I've been using the Anua Heartleaf 70 Daily Lotion for a while now, and it's become a staple in my skincare routine. This lotion is a lightweight cream that's perfect for soothing and hydrating the skin. It comes in a very convenient pump packaging, making it easy to dispense just the right amount. The texture is light, leaving a dewy finish without any greasy feel, which is why I find it ideal for daytime use. One of the standout features is how well it moisturizes. It hydrates deeply, creating a protective layer that prevents moisture loss while still being breathable. It's great for all skin types, but I think it shines particularly for those with combination to oily skin due to its balancing properties. It helps manage excess sebum, keeping your skin from getting too oily throughout the day. The formula is simple but effective, packed with 70% heart leaf extract, basil leaf extract, and 3 types of hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to soothe redness, calm irritation, and repair the skin barrier. Plus, it's free from added fragrances and alcohol, making it an excellent choice for sensitive skin. I also appreciate the versatility of this product. The bottle is huge, so I've been using it not just on my face, but also as a body moisturizer, especially after shaving. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated without any sticky or oily residue. In short, the Anua Heartleaf 70 Daily Lotion is a fantastic all-rounder. Whether you're dealing with breakouts, redness, or just need a reliable moisturizer, this product delivers. I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a soothing, hydrating, and balancing lotion.